toilet paper holder, actually a stainless steel black toilet paper holder. Check this thing out. You want your toilet paper to be indestructible. Man, getting it out of this box is not the easiest task. That's all that's in the box there. Throw that aside. It came in this little wrapper, but check this thing out. This is what, that's metal, a metal dispenser. And inside here you get a, looks like a little, what are these things? Oh, these must be some sort of connector for holding it on there. It looks like you get some connecting hardware, a screw with those kind of sheetrock connectors. Looking at it, it said affix with double-sided, oh, that's double-sided tape. I see how this works. If you don't want to drill a hole, look how that works. Very interesting. You're going to loosen this up and then screw that on. I see that. Well, that's cool. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the double-sided tape on my bathroom wall and see if that works. And to put the toilet paper in there, you basically just push it down. It looks like it's got these little spring-loaded kind of things right there, and then it rolls down like that, and then the toilet paper comes out and you'll be able to pull off what you need. Pretty simple to install. You know what? They have a little bit of mounting screws, drill holes. If you want to drill, you can drill, but I'm going to use the double-sided. I'm going to use the peel and stick tape right here. Oh yeah, that's easy to peel off. Look at that. Yeah, let me go ahead, set this thing up, and let's see what it looks like when it's installed, because who doesn't want an indestructible toilet paper? Actually, the best thing that this is good for is pets. If you got, I got a little small dog that loves grabbing toilet paper and then rolling it out and chewing it up. So let's go ahead, let's install this and see what it looks like. I just installed it here. You can see how it is. Actually, it gives you a little shelf to put things on. I do like the fact that it's got a flat top. You can put a phone or something like right there. See how the toilet paper goes in there? You just basically push it in there and it snaps into place. And to use this thing, you just basically, once you get it started right there, you see how it's closed off? Just pull. You can pull out as much as you want or as least amount. It looks like once it goes down a little bit, it gets a little, right now I've got a big roll in there. It seems like it's gonna, it holds a kind of a medium-sized roll. You can see how it just fits down in there and it just holds it right into place. But everybody, this is something I've been needing for my bathroom. I have had a toilet paper holder right here, but I think this is gonna work great. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, stainless steel toilet paper holder. See you on the next video.